Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys home screen mode setting guys. How can we change in our Realme phone guys? You want to change guys your home screen mode setting in your Realme phone, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change home screen mode in our Realme phone guys. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys, if you new my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start the video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your home screen mode. Then guys, scroll it. As you can see your home screen and lock screen setting, so guys tap here. As you can see your home screen mode, so guys tap here. So you can see guys, there are three modes: standard mode, driver mode and simple mode. So you want to change guys standard mode, so guys we will change into standard mode. And guys, you can see this apply, so guys tap here, switch. Then guys, your home screen mode will, as you can see guys, then guys you cannot scroll guys, your whole icon is on your screen guys. So as you can use your new home screen mode in your Realme phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to change home screen mode in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.